If Azure concepts like tenants, subscriptions, regions, or Entra ID still feel confusing, this series will make them simple. Azure is extremely powerful, but many of its fundamental concepts are abstracted and deeply interconnected, and often they are explained in isolations, not in a way that help you see the bigger picture. My name is Rahul Sharma. I'm a software engineer at Microsoft. While working with Azure systems, I realized that clarity in fundamentals makes everything else easier: architecture, security, deployment, and scaling. So, in this playlist, I will break down one Azure concept per video. For each topic, we will cover what it is, why it exists, how it works, and where it fit in the overall Azure ecosystems. These videos will be short and focused and practical. No long lectures, no unnecessary complexities, just clear explanation that help you build strong cloud fundamentals.